Hey guys, it's James Nicholson, and in this video I just wanted to talk about property due diligence. So I've driven up this evening to Doncaster up in Yorkshire, and I'm buying a property here tomorrow right near Doncaster station, and we've been able to secure that below market value, which is great, and all the numbers stack up really well. It's a really good deal. I'm actually going to be buying it with my daughter to get her on the property ladder, which is a good thing. But what I wanted to talk about was due diligence. You see, so many people make property seem so exciting, so grand and stuff like that, but are they really doing all the due diligence, or are they just selling courses and programs on it? You see, one thing that you could do and should do is go and look at the property in the evening, right? Because you really want to see what's happening in that area at night time. Is there lots of people hanging around? Is it a quiet street? Because that's really going to give you an indication on sorts of problems that you might face having that property. And this street here is pretty good, to be honest. So let's just turn the camera around there. It's pretty quiet. We're here, it's just past 10 o'clock. So it's pretty much quiet, really quiet. Good parking on the street as well, so this gives me an indication of how many parking spaces there are when people come back, because I'm going to view this tomorrow in the daytime and everyone's going to be gone to work, right? So this gives me a real indication on what sort of area this is. Is it a rough area? Is there people hanging around on the streets? Because if it is, then probably I don't want to be involved in that area, and I might look for something different. So things that you should do in your due diligence is do a recce of the property in an evening, right? It's not easy to do that. It's more work, of course it is, but it's really going to save you a ton of money on buying a bad deal. Then you should be looking at things like, before you even instruct a surveyor to save yourself money, just walk back a few streets and see if there's a higher aspect that you can look from at the roof. At a glance, are there tiles at a place or not? Obviously a surveyor will go into more details on that. Just externally check, is there cracks, is there mold in the property, right? You need to do all your due diligence really before you start paying for stuff. Now this stage here right now, I haven't paid anything yet. We've got an offer agreed in principle. We haven't paid any money yet. So tomorrow, now that we're happy with this and we're checking it and getting a proper a second look around the property tomorrow, but if that's all good and we're all happy, then we'll proceed with the transaction, and we're looking to complete this very quickly. We're looking to do a cash deal on this. This property that we're looking at is £80,000. The market value is £90,000. Rental, it will rent out for £500. So really good, just vanilla buy to let, nothing too special, not talking HMO, rent to rent, nothing here. This is just a buy to let property that will make good solid income month in, month out, and these are good properties for your portfolio. So you should add properties like this, as well as the more adventurous deals as well. So that's my lesson for today, is learn about the due diligence and just focus on finding good deals. Don't just trust what everybody says. Go and check it yourself. Is it a quiet area? Is the roof okay? Are there cracks? Is there mold? You can check all of that stuff without paying money. Now, if you want to learn more about property and business, then do subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be sharing my property journey. So do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts. What should you be checking on your deals when you're going out and looking? I'm James Nicholson. I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.